and welcome. I am so excited that you are here. My name is Jennie Mustafa-Julock, but everybody just calls me Coach Jennie, and I am author of this here book. It's called Hilda, Tackle Your Inner Naysayer, Get Out of Your Own Way, and Unleash Your Badassery. Now, Hilda is the name that I give to that horrible inner critic voice that lives in the back of your head. You know the voice. That voice that says you suck, who do you think you are, you're not good enough, there's no way you can pull this off, you don't know enough, you really shouldn't do that because you're gonna embarrass yourself. Look, there's a shiny object over here, let's go play with that instead of doing something that matters. That's that voice. That's who I call Hilda. Apologies to anybody named Hilda. You get to call yours Jennie just so we're even, okay? You see, I'm on a mission to make Hilda a household name because once you understand her, then you can start to undermine her and then you can get out of your own way, which is where this workshop comes in. I want to invite you to this upcoming live interactive workshop that I am hosting on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Now, I actually mean it when I say live interactive workshop. If you're anything like me, you've probably suffered through a lot of live webinars where you're just kind of listening from the sidelines and some guru's telling you why they're the greatest thing since sliced bread and you're waiting for the horrible, inevitable pitch. This is not one of those. I have to assure you of that. I want to help you get out of your own way, and I can only do that if I can have an actual factual conversation with you. So this live workshop is actually a group coaching experience. It's completely free, it's not recorded, and it's not broadcast anywhere. So only the people that are in the room will see what happens. So when you show up, you'll be in a Zoom room, which is kind of like Skype, but way better. And all of us will be on camera having an actual conversation. Me as your coach will ask a bunch of questions that are none of my freaking business to get to the bottom of how you are squandering your potential and to help you specifically for how you can get out of your own way. You will walk away with tangible steps, things you can do immediately, if not sooner, to change the way Hilda plays with your mind. So, if you're interested in this, I cannot wait to meet you. All you have to do is scroll down this page, click on any of the buttons that says, yes, I want to attend, and follow the instructions from there. And I'll see you on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific.